Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change your Mini Countryman headlight bulb. First, gather your replacement bulb and a clean, soft cloth. It's crucial to avoid touching the new bulb's glass with bare hands, as oils can shorten its lifespan. Always ensure your vehicle is completely turned off and the engine has cooled down before you begin any work for safety. Now, open the bonnet to locate the back of the headlight cluster. Next, you'll need to gain access to the bulb itself. Look for a small black cover or panel at the back of the headlight housing. Depending on your Mini Countryman model, you might need to push a catch or rotate it counterclockwise to remove it. For certain bulbs, like some low beams, you may need to turn your steering wheel fully and access a small panel inside the wheel arch. This provides a clear path to the bulb. Now for the actual replacement. First, gently pull the electrical connector straight off the back of the old bulb. Then, carefully remove the old bulb from its housing. This usually involves a slight twist, about 1/4 turn, or releasing a small retaining clip. With your clean cloth, handle the new bulb by its base and carefully insert it into the housing, ensuring it aligns perfectly. Lock it into place by twisting it clockwise or securing the clip. Almost done, reconnect the electrical plug to the new bulb, making sure it's seated firmly. Then, replace the protective cover over the headlight housing, ensuring all clips or twists are secure to prevent moisture entry. Before closing the bonnet, turn on your vehicle and test the new headlight to confirm it illuminates properly. This quick check ensures everything is working as it should and you're ready to go.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.